We have a 2022 Barletta 25-foot Corsa. Has the arch on it, power bimini. It is a Tri-Toon. Does have the performance package on it. This one's black sapphire with a matte black stripe. Really nice long benches. They do have armrests, handles, cup holders, cell phone chargers. Dual captain's chairs. These chairs swivel, recline, move forward and back. Do have cup holders, cell phone charger, and a cell phone holder for the passenger. That is a pop-up table. We have one over there I could show you. That's what this one looks like when it's popped up. Doggy dishes that pull out. Also doubles as a glove box if you don't have a dog. Really nice helm, Simrad. Stereo system, RGB lighting package, rated for 13 passengers. A lot of leg room on this. If you're tall, you'll have no problem at all. Really nice beefy arch. This is the Ultra Lounger here. Speakers down there. You can flip these 4 cushions around. This long cushion here can flip forward or reverse. Really nice universal layout. This cushion goes down, the back one there can go up. Nice wide stainless ladder. Fuel fill in the center. This one has a 300 horse Mercury on it. Stainless prop. Safety chains so you can sit back here. Beautiful boat. Can flip that back easily. Check out this gorgeous Barletta at SkipperBud's.